distinguished guests, parents, teachers, and fellow graduates. I am deeply honored to pay my highest respect and gratitude to Dr. Minh Ly Chê Cuốt, our chairman, CEO, and founder, Mr. Sophie Amle, President of AI Language Center, Madame Yana Rua, President of American Intercon School, our campus directors, deputy campus directors, senior managements, general committees, head teachers, and staff. Dear parents and families, welcome to the 27th AI graduation ceremony. My name is Hong Chanriya, and I am 13 years old. As today's KID program representative, standing on this magnificent stage fills me with immense pride and joy. Before sharing my journey, I would like to congratulate you all for your hard work in reaching this milestone. 如果你学习都正如人，你就会明白我在说什么. Now that's the results of me studying Chinese for only 2 terms. Because of AI, I got to speak not only 1 language, but 2 languages, as I am now also taking Chinese class in the CSL program at AI Zhejiang campus. You know, I have never been confident. I was extremely shy and dreaded class presentations. You might wonder how someone who feared public speaking can now be standing in front of hundreds of people with such composure. Truth be told, I am incredibly nervous right now, but I am channeling the nervousness into strength, knowing my teachers and parents are supporting me. Their prideful smiles fueled my courage. My teacher once said, confidence is the key to success. When I first joined AI, my English skills were pretty basic. Today, I stand here as testament to how far dedication can take you. Our classes were filled with laughter, engaging lessons, and creative teaching approaches. My teachers shared the knowledge generously, showing me that with determinations, any goals is achievable. As the saying goes, today's preparations determines tomorrow's achievements. Every moment counts, so invest your time wisely. Don't be afraid to dream big. The grander your vision, the brighter your future. Success demands dedications, perhaps even tears and sweats. Yet, the journey is worth every effort. Never contemplate giving up when you're midway through your journey. Persistence is crucial. Keep trying until you achieve your goals. Even progress seems slow, maintain your momentums. Dream boldly, whether to become a doctor, lawyer, or any other professions. Every dream represents a possibility. And through hard work, at least one of these dreams will become reality. You don't have to care what the results will be. One ASL head teacher once told me that being kind and authentic will always help you to be the better person in every way, so just trust the process. Lastly, I extend my appreciations to my friends who stood by me through challenges, my teachers who illuminated my path, my parents for choosing AI, and everyone who supported me throughout this journey. Last but not least, Mr. Chairman for creating this educational opportunity. As we complete this chapter, new opportunities await us. Let's cherish our shared memories and tears. Congratulations once again, and please join me in a round of applause for our collective achievements. May we all shine brightly like stars in the night skies, achieve our dreams, find success, and maintain good health. Thank you all, and goodbye.